Morning everyone, welcome back to Dynamic Mobile Audio and Detailing. We have a 2015 Chevy Tahoe today. We're going to walk through it real quick and go over what the customer is getting. So this is the second owner of this Tahoe. Quite a bit of bugs. So we're doing carpet extraction, we're doing full cleaning, we'll check the paint, we'll probably do a clay, and we'll probably do a very light polish before prepping it for ceramic coating. But it's not in bad condition. Paint's actually really good. Mark there. Normal marks here. Looks like focus. Looks like something scratched the window there. It's catching with my nail. We'll hit that with a polisher. It actually feels kind of like rubber, but we'll see what comes out. Normal nicks. We're gonna try to get that out, actually. We'll condition, trim. That's not coming out. Let's check the inside. Inside's a little bit more dingy. It does smell like smoke. We will ozone it. I've seen worse, but I've seen better. We are gonna do, like I said, we'll probably do a steam extraction, steam and extraction. Some marks. So let me move cars around, get the garage prepped, get ready to give this a cleaning. And 86,000 miles. My goodness, she's not a young'un. Time to dry the discs off so we don't have any rust. New bottle of Tri-Clean. This stuff really works good for smoke and disinfecting. We'll start by getting our hot water ready while we vacuum. We'll spray down all the panels, brush them down, rinse them with a hot rag, let them dry, and then we'll add our conditioner 303 on there. Not bad. Wheels came up very well. There's some room for improvement though. All right, update time. We have 2 of the floor mats scrubbed, shampooed, extracted, cleaned, and drying. Working on this panel, trying to figure out what the best course is to get a lot of this grime off. There's dirt everywhere. Did 1 test panel of extraction here. Gonna try to use the crevice tool to get the dirt out of these areas. And I have the steam cleaner warming up to blow a lot of this gunk out, such as these areas, these, even in there. So they'll get blasted with steam clean. Have to get down in there as well. And then they'll go over with the soft bristle brush cleaner, Tri-Clean, and then they'll be conditioned. A little bit more work than I was anticipating. However, it is what it is. So continue on, try to keep you updated as we go along. All right, it is almost 1 o'clock. Been at this for 5 hours now. And that is washed, interior completely done. Now moving on to paintwork. Just gonna run around the inside. Hold on. Let's see. A little bit of bird droppings there, etching. Have to take care of that. Coming around, wash water for the panels, the leather, extractor. I can't count how many times this has been dumped, but quite a bit. Hold on, it's a little blurry. That's better. Can't count how many times they've been rinsed. Interior is looking proper. Much better than it was. Have some leftover stuff to get through. I will vacuum it one more time before it gets done. On to the Ozone Machine. This car was smoked in, so hit it with the Ozone Machine. Probably gonna run it for 2 or 3 hours. Let it air out. Once I'm finally done the exterior, I'll back it out of the garage. Run it for another half hour, maybe an hour. It has been advised to the customer to replace the cabin filters, so they'll probably go ahead and do that once we're done. Still looks smudgy to me, but oh well. Tried my best here, but it's not really coming up. Tried Fall X, tried Lightning Stain Extractor. My biggest nuisance was, let's see, is there any left? Right here. I believe some type of detergent was spilled, and I have extracted with clean water, and I'm still getting suds. I'll post up a picture right now of one of the floor mats that actually I rinsed for a good almost 10 minutes. Floor mats looking proper. We'll do one more final vac before they go in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Ozone Machine in and grab a bite to eat. Working on the back here, we'll probably pull out the 3-inch. We'll probably do panel, 3-inch, probably by hand here and here. Okay, polishing, one stage complete. The tires are soaking with tire conditioner. First coat of trim treatment is on out of probably 3. This one has the first, and the one over here has 2 coats already. So I think at least 2, if not 3. Car has been wiped down, Gyeon Prep, and now we're getting ready for coating. The name I was trying to think of earlier, Gyeon Pure. So I'm gonna get ready, get my mask, and get to work. All right, everything is complete. We did Gyeon Pure, which is a 1-coat coating. Everything actually came out really well, in my opinion. So the wheels, I think they either got acid hit or some other harsh chemical. There is some clear coat destroyed on them. Let's go up and actually take a look at the sun. Turned out really well. Got to top off the windows. We're doing one last ozone treatment right now. I think it already smells a lot better in here. So the customer will come back to me for its first wash to make sure the coating is cured properly. And hopefully he's happy with it. Until the next one, please like, share, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to have a lot more coming up. Take care.